Hello, everybody. My name is Jay Chen. On behalf of Political Science and International Relations, I'm here to introduce to you our very exciting major. Let me start with our broad vision, which is knowing for action, critically understanding the political world and leading the change. To contextualize our broad vision, our specific aim is to enable the students to develop advanced knowledge of the nature of politics and the functions of diverse political ideas, theories, actors, institutions, and a range of political systems. We'll also enable the students to critically interpret the key political and policy actions at local, national, and international levels. We'll also train the students to apply such critical thinking and problem-solving skills to independently and collaboratively research and address challenges, crises, and a change in the real political world of Australia and the Indo-Pacific. We'll also endeavor to enable the students to effectively communicate their learned political knowledge, ideas, analyses, and arguments in different formats. Now, what academic units do we teach? How do we structure them? Here, the idea is that we start from a level of basic understanding. Then the program evolves into fundamental knowledge in the 4 subfields of political studies. Before the more advanced study of major political themes and conflicts and diplomacy in the Indo-Pacific regions and states. You can look at this list of our very innovative units at various levels. So at level 1, these core units enable you to achieve understanding of politics and policy and global politics. From level 2, these units enable you to achieve foundational knowledge of a number of subfields in political studies, including public policy, foreign policy, comparative studies, and a global political economy. At the more advanced level 3, these units look more deeply at the various important socio and political themes, such as politics of the mass media, gender, environment, and social movements. Then we also teach on the roles of religions in international politics, particularly the role of Islam in world politics. Then there are other units focused on politics and foreign policies of various regions and states in the broadly defined Indo-Pacific. For instance, Africa, South Asia, the Middle East, and the so-called Greater China. And then we wrap up the major through a practically grounded capstone unit called Policy and Diplomacy in Practice. Following from that, there are further pathways. You may take the 4th-year honors program, which includes individual research and a dissertation under the supervision of one of our very expertly academic colleagues. And you may also consider our professionally oriented master's programs in the fields of international relations, public policy, international law, and international development. Now, why study with us? First of all, our greatest asset is that we have a team of world-class and diverse academic staff. We combine our cutting-edge research with strong passion for teaching. We're here to inspire and prepare you for a range of careers in a highly competitive job market. We engage our students directly with policymakers, practitioners, and diplomats, and link the students with government agencies and other kinds of organizations which our students may like to work for one day. We offer professional workplace placements, internship programs, and very broad international collaboration opportunities. We also work very closely with a range of research centers and policy think tanks, including those which have been established at the UWA, such as the Center for Muslim States and Societies, Africa Research and Engagement Center, Public Policy Institute, Perth US-Asia Center, and the WA branch of the Australian Institute for International Affairs. I know everybody cares a lot about the future jobs. I can assure you the career prospects of this major are very promising indeed. Over the many years of my work at the political science and international relations discipline, I have seen many of our graduates leading successful careers, not just in Australia, but also internationally. They work mainly as policymakers, politicians, diplomats, policy analysts, journalists, NGO leaders, academics, or researchers, and many more. So consider studying our major and join our very successful graduates. And I look forward to seeing many of you in our corridors. Thank you very much for viewing and listening.